Hey everyone! Happy New Year! Kumusta na yung spaghetti sa ref nyo? Ubus na ba? Well, anyway, today's tutorial, tuturuan ko kayo the easiest way to stabilize your videos on your mobile phones and turn your shaking vids into stable ones. So if gusto nyong malaman, just keep on watching. First, open nyo muna yung ating Google Photos. Select your desired video. And then click this one. Click dito sa may gilid. Stabilizing. Antayin lang nating matapos. Ayan. Tingnan natin if stabilized na siya. Nice, di ba? Don't forget to save your copy. And that's it. Easy lang, di ba? That's it for today's tutorial, guys. Please do like, subscribe, click the bell notification para updated ka sa susunod kong videos. Thank you for watching and just keep moving forward. Bye!